Juju! Anna!
They're supposed to come back up.
Welcome to paradise! Guys, this is amazing. Do you remember when we went to Gigantes and I said that might be one of the most beautiful places in this world? Well, you know what? I think we found another one. We are currently in Sohoton Cove Park. It's just a short boat ride from where we're staying and we're gonna be exploring the whole area. The water is crystal clear and you've got those mountains everywhere. I'm so excited to share that with you guys. So we're entering Sohoton Cove right now and it looks like, well, we're gonna be going, I don't know, we're under a tunnel. What? Look at that, what is happening here? How's the water, Juju? Cool. Perfect. Alright guys, we're gonna go in this cave. We're gonna go snorkeling there. I'm not sure exactly what there is. But try not to get the camera wet. Everyone's gonna go in. Side note, if you're coming here, please don't bring any gear that you don't want to get wet. Because it makes no sense. It just splashes everywhere. And you're gonna go in the water anyway. The boat is wet. Everything's wet. Don't bring gear. Don't do like me. Cave right now and you can't see anything because we cannot see anything. Not too sure what else there is to see, but it's pretty cool here.
Rest your feet. Yeah, good job.
Monkey!
Monkey. Help, monkey. Help him. You got it. Nobody's helping. You got it. They're like, oh my god. Too many times.
Wow! This is pretty high.
1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, as Pierre is right now on this boat, he wants me to introduce the next part of the trip, which is swimming with the jellyfish. Stingless jellyfish, of course. And now we are riding an engineless boat. And Pierre is over there. He doesn't have the camera for once.
you doing, Anna?
You know,
A normal day in the Philippines.
I'm one of those refugees on her way back to my homeland.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Oh my god, have you seen those crazy views on the drone? It's so beautiful where we are right now. So this is where we're having lunch, as you saw on the drone. This is the last part. What are we having? Some fish, some
Conch.
conch.
It's like a shellfish.
No,
Like a shellfish.
It's like a little claw.
Is it good?
Julian's freaked out by it. Julian thinks it tastes like alien meat.
Alien meat, Julian.
No, it looks like
alien
alien.
Like video games.
I like it. It's in a sweet and sour sauce, so the sauce itself maybe is not the best, but if you dip it, I like the meat.
Just
personally.
drown it in other sauce and it gets good.
How's the veggie, Anna?
It was delicious. I ate it all though. So.
Next, we are going to go snorkeling because look at that, there are so many fishes right here in the water. So super excited, let's go. The guy actually had his spear gun, so we tried to go spear fishing with him. He did catch something. I tried after, so a big fish, but it was slightly out of range. Anyway, right now we're gonna go check out another thing that's called, I think, Crystal Cave, something like that. And then there is another snorkeling spot, so super excited to go see more because it's so beautiful around here. Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that.
Bye bye floating restaurant. We are on a stop right now because apparently there is something called Crystal Cave we're gonna go check out. Some people told us to skip it, but for you, we're gonna go check it out and tell you if it's worth it or not. If it's not worth it, just look at the footages and that will be good enough for you. Juju, what are you doing naked?
It's a swimming suit.
This guy. I hope there are girls in the viewership. Enjoy the show. So this is the Crystal Cave. Why are you laughing, Anna? Don't you like the show?
It's quite a show.
Anna, how do you...
See, I think she likes you. Of course. Of course. Yeah. Is it dangerous?
I don't know. We
Like
have to
Taiwan.
wear.
Every time I go caving here, it ends up being very dangerous. Tina, you're looking sharp.
They look like construction workers. Like our construction workers.
But with a bikini, woo! Every
We can
man's
catcall
dream.
people.
Every
We can
man's
catcall
dream.
back all the catcallers that we got from.
Let's go before get things too weird, said Anna. I think it's too late. Village people group. This is where it starts. Whoa, the bats. For those of you who have seen the episode on caving at Gigantes, this is part 2, caving in Siargao.
Oh yeah.
There are bats, guys, over there flying somewhere. What is happening here? We found a new golem. Where's Anna going, Julian?
You have to go back and forth same way.
She followed the white rabbit.
Guys, it sounds like those bad movies, you know, where someone goes and we're like, hey, where are you? Hello? Someone see you? No.
Am I supposed to go all the way to the bottom?
Julia, you know how I told you there is always a character that disappears quickly? Anna, make sure you're not that character. Hello?
Crawling on the cave.
Very creepy.
Yeah, it is.
Oh no. Be careful.
I think this is the end.
Oh my god.
Today on BBC, reporting live from Socorro, we have gone cave exploring. Anna and Julian, they've gone down into the black hole, 7 meters, crawling down to explore another cave. I am not going because, well, I'm wearing a crisp white shirt. We have not heard from them. Maybe it's been 2 minutes. We're wondering what's going on.
Juju! Anna!
Julian!
This is crazy, guys. We don't know where they went.
Wow.
There's still ghosts.
This is pretty scary.
So creepy. I'm glad I'm not alone.
Oh, what is this smell?
It smells weird.
If you think they will make it back, comment 1. If you think they won't make it back and stay here forever and we're gonna have to throw them oranges, vote 2. Noises down here. Maybe it's them. Maybe they're making out.
Yeah, 7 minutes in heaven.
7 minutes in heaven.
7 minutes in hell, actually.
Oh my god, I think I see Anna. Anna is crawling, literally crawling back. Okay, Anna lost her bikini. Julia, give her back the bikini.
Oh, sorry.
Don't pretend it was a rock. Alright, Anna is back.
This is probably the least sexy I've ever been, so.
Turn off your light, I cannot see anything.
Like literally, how do I get up?
It goes super far, we didn't go to the end. It's like the catacombs in Paris.
Now let's go back to something a bit more glamorous, like snorkeling with beautiful little fishes, and let's leave Gollum behind us. Welcome to Snake Island! No one's ever been on that island ever because it's infested by snakes. The moment you approach, they swim towards you to try to bite you. So Anna is gonna go first because she always goes first in those moments.
Are you going on Snake Island?
No.
Don't worry, it is safe.
Is it really? Like, you're not allowed to go on it?
Okay, are you not helping him?
This is adventure, guys. Someone's doing it for you.
Is it really Snake Island, guys?
Maybe it's Snail Island in your face. We're gonna swim all around, trying not to get bitten, and let's see what there is underwater. Woo! Oh my god! It looks like we changed full. We're back in a little piece of paradise right here. As you can see, it is amazing.
Ooh,
We hope you have enjoyed today. It didn't go exactly as planned in terms of filmmaking because it was way more intense than I expected for the video conditions, in the sense that, sorry, there is some water on the lens. You couldn't really take the gear everywhere in the boats because, well, actually it gets really wet everywhere. And see, we've got kids with us here. Gino's a real kid after running naked in the cave. Now he's just peeing in the pool. I'm telling you guys, go ahead. Alright. Well, with that being said, I hope you have enjoyed that video. This place is amazing. If you've never thought of coming here, this is absolutely incredible. Make sure you check out our other video where we're sharing with you the most incredible place in this world, which is right here, right now. And with that being said, remember... Alright. Alright, obviously everyone's crazy here.
It's a full moon tonight, so we're all going crazy.
Alright guys, we're going crazy. With that being said, Remember, make sure you leave a like in the video. Leave us a comment below if you want to say anything. If you want to vote for who is the craziest in here. And I'll see you in the next episode. See you guys. Bye-bye. Remember, make the most of your time on this planet. You never know if there will be a tomorrow.